To enable Game Booster GPU settings on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you have to open the Galaxy Store and download Good Lock application. So go for apps, click on the search and go for Good Lock. Now you have to get it on our phone. We have to click on this open button. And in the next step, we have to download the Game Booster Plus plugin. Now, when we open the Game Booster Plus, we can actually find that feature called Enable Game Booster GPU. So we have to turn it on, and now we can change the GPU settings applied to the game through the customization for individual games in the Game Booster. So the Game Booster, when you're looking for it, it will be in the Advanced Features. We are looking for this, the Game Booster settings, and as you can see now, we can find those options here for each game when you just open it. Of course, here you can change the smoothness if you want, and other things, some notifications even, and stuff like that. So here, as you can see, when you open the game, you can get this navigation bar, and after that you can just input all of those changes like you want. So that will be all. I hope you find that useful.